what you have all said here. Knowing Senator Almakura, his passion to develop this industry, I'm sure if he's given opportunity, he would like to make it work. But this small amount of money is definitely inadequate for an area we are considering an alternative to oil. And the poverty in our land, which is an apparent poverty, is simply because our population is growing, demands are growing, and the income is not increasing, it's not growing. So we must, as a nation, begin to act quickly by ensuring that areas of solid minerals is given its due place to contribute at least 50% of what oil contributes at the first instance. If we can do that, then this unemployment saga and insecurity and restiveness will no longer be there. Our youth will be getting employed. Imagine where this industry is developed. How many millions of Nigerians will be working at the mining fields? South Africa is today South Africa because of mining and solid minerals. And we have more in quantum. So I still do not understand the rationale behind not appropriating enough money for this department. We should start thinking like business people, Mr. Chairman. This nation should start thinking like business-oriented country, where you must make investment to make money. What can 3 billion in this department give you? It can't even clear a site. So definitely we are not. We need to, and there's need for us to return this parastatal, the National Mining Corporation. I don't know why that was destroyed and eradicated. I don't know who killed it. But I think there's need for immediate restoration of that parastatal to make it stronger. And if you can build like NNPC, commercialize it and make money. So thank you, Mr. Chairman, for showing understanding to this.